right, so machine number 2 is down by the train station downtown, across from the old Holda's. And let's see what they've got. In the, so let's see, we've got the meat lovers, the dessert lovers. All right, so see if we can get a look at this. So this is gonna be the pepperoni pizza. We're going to bake it for 2-3 minutes and then broil on high. And then this is the dessert pizza, and we're gonna do this at 430 for 2-3 minutes on high. So okay, so we're gonna do the New Wave air fryer / convection oven all-in-one to try to get a better bake on our pizzas. So there it is, heating up. And we're gonna see how things turn out. All right, so there is our finished cook in the oven. So there is the finished cook. Got a nice little brown edging to it. This is going to be a better cook than what you're going to get directly from the machine itself. Like I said, this is a vending machine pizza. This is not something done at a high-end store, but I really like the bake better here than what we've had directly from the machine. So we've got the pizza. So why don't you go ahead and break open the pizza there, G-Man. Pick your brother up.
I can get it myself. You can't. Too bad. I got it.
All right, so let's do this one at a time. All right, let me get this in and give me a honest take on what you think of the pizza, man. Take a bite. What do you think?
Good.
Okay. Gardner?
Okay. Pretty good.
What do you think? Now, compared to Little Caesars, is this about the same as Little Caesars? Is Little Caesars better, or what would you say?
So this is probably better. Same.
Okay. Okay, same. All right. All right. Well, there you go, guys. Pizza number 1. Stuff is like people that are under 30 are watching the video. Taking it out, chowing it down. So after this pizza, we've got a dessert pizza that we're gonna be trying, and we'll see how that goes. It's in the oven right now.
Take the piece that fell off.
Help yourself, man. That's what it's there for. Thumbnail for that. Getting ready to put the dessert pizza in to the New Wave oven. Let's do him first. Go ahead, bro. Still too hot?
It just came out of the oven.
And I didn't feel that we were complaining, we were just trying to.
So what do you think?
Good.
Okay.
Strong smell, but not as strong of taste.
Okay, cool. What do you think, man?
Oh.
So I think the aroma is from the red sauce there on the pizza. I'm assuming, is that a strawberry or is it a cherry, do you think? What do you think? Cherry? Okay. Cool.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
There we go. All right, man.
But not cold.
Not cold? Well, yeah, cool as in
Just
cool
not the oven.
concept.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. All right, so why don't you guys go ahead and get yourselves a piece, and then we'll do a close-up of your...
Here, Vernon, I'll get you one. I'm gonna sit back down. I got two. Oh, they give me two. That's a strong smell.
It's like a cherry.
It was like cherry chocolate.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead, man.
It's pretty hot, though.
Okay, you want to let it cool?
Yeah.
All right, well, let me know when you're ready.